traveling through Darkmore?
Very first time.
Well, welcome.
Thank you. Happy to be here.
The one thing you need to know
Yes.
is to stay clear of the well.
Got it.
What's inscribed on the well is even more important.
What's wrong with the well? What's going on in the well?
It holds many secrets.
Uh-huh.
For one, it isn't even a well. Wells are dug to provide water for a village, yes. But here in Darkmore, we have no lack of fresh rain. The well is actually a portal between two opposing worlds, they say. One filled with light and the living, the other filled with shadows, darkness, and death. They say that beneath our streets is a twisting maze of catacombs and dark tunnels, a network of tombs and passages guarded by monsters, creatures of the undead. What is written on the well is the most important. It says, Nunquam obliviscar te sola nostra validante esse. Never forget that you exist by our will
I have a question.
alone.
I remember that. Thank you.
What are you staring at? Be careful. Curiosity killed the cat, you know.
Oh my god, that's me. And I was like, oh my god. Like, really?
So, you know, we're hopefully we're going to be from out of state or from
18.